Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today's recipe is some Kaaklo. Yes, you are going to prepare some Kaaklo. You can eat it like that with peanuts, or you can also add it to your almighty gobe. Yes, gari and beans, and enjoy it. So today I'm going to share my recipe with you. Please like, subscribe and share this video. Leave a comment as well. And so we have some ripe plantain. You can get the very ripe one, very ripe soft one, and that one will be very perfect for you. And we're also going to make use of some ginger, Negro pepper, and then some cloves and some spice. I grinded them into a smooth form, and also some pepper here. Pepper, you can use only the fresh pepper or the powdered pepper, or you can mix it. Now the quantity of the pepper, the ginger, depends on how hot you want it. I usually want it very hot. And we're also going to add flour to it, any type of flour, whether hard flour or soft flour or all-purpose flour. So we are grinding all our ingredients. You can also make uses of roasted corn flour. Yes, a brosam. You can also use that one and it will still be good, especially if you don't like gluten. You can make use of cornstarch or corn flour, that is roasted corn flour. And so I just added my ingredients. I'm adding salt to it. The quantity of the salt also depends on how the taste you want, how much you want it in. So just adjust it to your preference. Okay, and so after blending everything, I'm going to set it aside and I'm going to work on the plantain. As I said, you can get a very ripe one, very soft one. And so you can either use mortar and pestle to pound it and then use it, or add it to the ingredients and then blend it, or you can use your food processor. So I'm going to use my food processor to mash it very well. Okay, so we are going to mash it. Please subscribe to this channel if you have not yet subscribed. I beg you, show me some love by commenting, like this video and share for me. Okay, so after mashing everything, this is it. And so we are going to pour it. As I said, you can use mortar and pestle to pound and get it to this effect, so you don't necessarily have to use food processor. Okay, and so I'm adding my grinded or blended ingredients to the mashed plantain, and I'm going to mix everything together. Okay, so I'm also going to add my onions to it, slice. So the onion, I blended one, I grinded one, and then I sliced two. So we are going to add it, and I'm going to add my pepper, powdered pepper. It's optional. You can decide to use only the fresh pepper, or you can decide to use only the powdered pepper, or both. And as I said, the taste, the quantity depends on you, how much you want it. I usually want it soft, and I'm adding my flour. Now the quantity of the flour also depends on how heavy or how light you want it. Usually we mix it very light, so just 3 tablespoons of flour added to it is okay. The flour is what will help to bind it and for you to be able to fry, but I'm going to make it a little bit thick, so I added 1 ladle again to it, not to 4 ladle. Yes, and I'm going to mix everything together very smoothly. And so this is it. And so you can use 3 tablespoons of flour or 4 tablespoons of the flour, and that'll be okay. And so mix it to the consistency that you want. And so this is the consistency that I want, and I already have my oil on fire, very hot. So I'll just be scooping and dropping them in gently so that I don't split any oil on me. Okay, so we'll be dropping, and don't fry it on a high heat. Just medium heat will be okay, because you wouldn't want it to burn outside and the inside is not well cooked. Okay, so you also have to be checking on it and be turning it so that one side doesn't cook more than the other side. Okay, and so that's what we are doing. Please subscribe, like this video, show me some love by commenting, and share this video. Okay, thanks so much for doing that. God bless you. Okay. Okay, so this is it. We are frying and it's ready. Yes, it's ready. So we are going to take them out and then fry our second batch also, and that will be okay for it. Yes, so ready. Looking all sumptuous like fried chicken. Okay, so I'm dropping the second batch also, and we are going to fry everything. Okay, so the second batch too is ready. Yes, so okay, so this is Akaakro. Some people say Akaakro, but it's Kaaklo. There's no R there, so eat it like that or serve it with your beans and gari. Thanks so much. Bye bye.